In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Walmart Scan and Go in 2025 with a simple step-by-step guide. Scan and Go is a convenient way to streamline your Walmart shopping experience, allowing you to shop and pay all from your smartphone. So, let's get started. First things first, to access Walmart Scan and Go, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Walmart website, or simply go to your search engine of choice and type Walmart Scan and Go. Once you've landed on the Walmart page, you'll see an option labeled Mobile Scan and Go. Give it a click. This will direct you to a page with all the details about how the service operates and its benefits. It's a good idea to read through the information provided. This will inform you about the key features of the service and how it aims to make your shopping experience smoother and faster. After familiarizing yourself with the program, you'll see the instructions laid out clearly in 3 easy steps. Now, it's time to jump into action. Open your Walmart app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app installed yet, you can download it for free from the App Store or Google Play. Once inside the app, start your shopping journey by scanning the barcodes of items as you shop. You do this by either hitting the scan button on the app and then pointing your phone's camera at the product's barcode, or manually entering the barcode number. This scanning process automatically adds the items to your virtual shopping cart, creating a seamless way to keep track of what you're purchasing. As you shop, you'll see your items and their prices right there in the app. Feel free to adjust quantities or remove products if you change your mind. Once you've finished picking out your items and you're ready to wrap up, simply tap on Checkout within the app. Here, you can review your cart one last time, ensuring everything is correct before making a payment. The app will guide you through the payment process, allowing you to pay using your preferred method, be it a credit card, debit card, or Walmart Pay. Should you have any more questions or need additional help, there's an FAQ section accessible directly through the app or website. This section will answer any lingering questions you might have, covering topics like availability, payment issues, and more. It's a handy resource if you're ever unsure about anything while using Scan and Go. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to make your Walmart shopping experience as smooth as possible using the Scan and Go feature. Give it a try during your next shopping trip and enjoy the convenience and time-saving benefits it offers. Happy shopping, and thanks for watching.